Well, Nicole Faria, congratulations on your big victory. Of course, this is the first time in 10 years that India has won such a big crown, Miss Earth Nicole Faria. And my first question to you, when you stepped onto the stage with so many other contestants from across the world, did you really feel that you are the chosen one to take home the crown?
Thank you so much, firstly. Yes, when you're going for an international pageant, you can't really, you can't be there not feeling it, and you have to feel it in your gut. You have to have a gut feeling that I'm here for a reason and I'm going to take home the crown, and that's exactly how I felt.
All right. So what was really your role model? What was your inspiration? And who was your biggest support? Was it your family?
Yes, it was my family. My family was there throughout. I hardly got to speak to them over the phone. We had really tight schedules between the day and the night. And I'm really happy that, my dad came there a week before the pageant. My mom and my brother came in a little after that. And my aunt flew in from the US with her husband. So it was very exciting. I had a lot of, I think they were my biggest strength, my biggest motivation came from them. Apart from that, a lot of emails, a lot of people, telling me what to do, what not to do, what looked nice, what didn't look nice, little criticism here and there. I think that helped most.
What about your role models?
I think my parents are my role models. My dad is a trainer. He trains the corporates in terms of communication, speaking skills, leadership, and my mom grooms in etiquette. So basically, they're more than happy. I mean, they're happier than I am.
So really, you were there. In fact, they were your tutors in a sense, and you were perhaps their best student.
Yes.
All right. So what's your next goal, Nicole? Will it be films if you get a good offer?
I'm open to anything, actually. Films in Bollywood and Hollywood, I'm open to it. Let's just take one step at a time for now. I've got to, do a lot of traveling, little activities here and there, and I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it.
All right. What about the Vietnam experience? You had met 83 other contestants.
Yes, Vietnam was amazing. 83 other girls from 83 different countries. We exchanged different cultures, traditions. You learn a lot from them. They learn a lot from you. It's a give and take situation. They were wonderful girls. Before I went there, I was like, how are these girls going to be? And then, I told myself not to expect anything. And well, when I didn't expect anything, it turned out to be for the best.
Okay.
These girls were very nice to me.
All right, so I'm sure you made a lot of friends on the way as well and won the crown for India. What better can you ask for? Thanks a lot, Nicole, for joining us right here on Times.
Thank you.